Here I have LG V30 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on this device by using the LG settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by finding and selecting the settings icon right here. Then you have to choose the general, scroll down, and here you have to find and select the backup and reset. So let's choose it. Let's tap OK in my case to this information, then select factory data reset. Read the information and choose reset phone in order to accomplish the hard reset operation. So in order to erase all personal data and customize settings and also the installed apps on the LG V30, let's choose delete all right here. Tab reset, and the LG is performing the factory reset operation. Let's wait until the whole operation will be done. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you may start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.